A very cheerful morning to all the children. From past few days, you have been learning all about the verbs, right? You've learned to find out the verb from a sentence. You learned the usage of s, the use of verbs with singular and plural. You also learned the use of is and are in a sentence, right? So I think all the concepts are pretty much clear to all of you. Now today I want you all to do few exercises which are related to the verbs. I want you all to do these exercises on your own because I'll be taking your test for verbs. So you all have to be very confident in doing this topic, right? So for example, here verbs, underline the verbs. You have to underline the verb in the sentence over here. So for that you have to read the sentence very carefully. Let's go. Number 1, the children, I repeat, what are the verbs? The action words. Whatever action is being done in the sentence, that is the verb. The children laugh at the clown. The children laugh at the clown. So what do you think? What action is being done here? Laughing. So laugh is the verb. The children laugh at the clown. So here laugh is the verb. So you're just going to underline it. Right? This is one example I have done it for you. The next is Vani and Tej push the bench. Now what are they doing? Pushing. So this is the verb. Rupa can dance. Find out the verb. The ducks swim in the pond. Find out the verb. Adil writes a letter. You have to find out the verb. Okay, just underline the verbs in the sentences. Now the next form of exercise is that here choose correct form of verb. You have to choose the correct form of verb here. What is the criteria for that? For that you just have to see that the noun is singular or plural. If the noun is singular, if you're talking about a single person, animal or thing, then you will put s with the verb. But if you are talking about plurals, then you do not have to put s, right? Let's see. Number 1, Rita dash to play. Love or loves? Rita. Rita, we are talking about one girl here, singular. So we will put s. So Rita loves to play. Birds dash fly or flies. Birds. So the first thing what you have to do is you will see this is singular or plural. We are talking about birds. S is here, which means they are representing the plural form of the this animal, right? So birds means plural. With plural we do not write s. So birds fly in the sky. I dash my teacher. I means मैं. Singular again. So with singular. Okay. I is also singular, but we never use s with I. It is always I help, not helps. I is a special character, as you know. I is very special. So we are not going to give any special letter to I. We never put s with the verb when it is coming along with I. Okay? So I help. You have to be very careful for this thing. जब भी I आएगा तो हम s नहीं लगाएंगे. So I help. I jumps or jump. I jump. Okay? So I help my teacher. Right? Next, number 4. The baby dash. Swim or swims. Baby is singular, so it should be swims in water, right? Okay, so the other way of doing verbs is, okay, you complete the sentence using is or are. You have to complete the sentence using is or are, right? So here also again you will see we are talking about singular thing or we are talking about plural one. The flowers, flowers, S hai, it means plural. So with plural we use are, with singular we use is. The flowers are pretty. The bag, now bag is singular, so with singular we use is. The bag is heavy. We means all of us, हम लोग, so it means more than one, that is plural. So with plural again we will use are. We are in the park. The door is singular, is opened. Okay. So for today you have to do these 3 exercises in your notebook. You have to do them absolutely on your own, no help by anybody. Okay, so you just note down these exercises in your notebook and do it, and keep practicing, keep learning, keep enjoying life. Bye bye, take care.